Okay, so there was a leak in the water heater. Of course, it drains out here, so you couldn't tell there was a leak, and then it had the casing on it, and you can't find it. So I started peeling back the casing to try to find the leak to see if it could be patched. But I'm going to turn the water on now just to show you how bad this thing's leaking. And you can't really find the leak. This gets the whole tank is rotted out, but anyways, so we're going to put a tankless heater in and get rid of this monstrosity. Okay, so this is your code conduit. Look at this. It goes from here to here, and then behind that it turns the Romex. This is what they call code. This. So you have 2 feet. So this is so there's the future site of the water heater. Hot on the right, cold on the left. The old tank. Okay. I'm gonna delay another day because Amazon didn't bring me my parts, but it did bring me the actual box. We got the box installed. We got 1 220 line going in, and we're gonna need, of course, another 220 line going in to power the other half of the heater. So